good morning. Here we are in beautiful Lancaster. We are at our local Petco. All right, and we are here to clean these floors, mop, sweep, clean the bathrooms, do it all. As you can see, we have Big Blue out, and we're dusting the floors right now, dry mopping them. See, we got trash can, we got the pile. Let's take a look at these floors here. You see, we got some stains right here, so we're going to work those up, and we're just checking out, inspecting the floor. These floors aren't really that bad. This isn't one of our worst locations. They maintain these floors pretty well while we're not here. We come do this once a week. And these floors look great. So I'll show you the bathrooms that we'll be cleaning. Also the break room, women's bathroom. We're getting all the stuff off the floor. We'll mop, clean the toilet, use the toilet brush, and empty out the trash. Wipe down the mirrors and everything there. Wipe down the water fountains. Same thing on the second bathroom. They're both identical. Then we have our break room. Oh, I forgot to show you the grooming area. Nope, you can't see the code. I guess I gotta put it in right? All right. And we have this lovely break room we're gonna clean. Trash sits filled up all the time. Always filled, ready to go. Look, they even have SpaghettiOs in there. All right, so we'll leave this open for the technician to come in. All right, stay tuned. Yeah, got some dust mop action. Found them while we were walking around. Very simple. Dust mopping the entire floor. Look how big that mop is. Gets the whole aisle. Look at that. Efficiency is what we're looking for. All right, now's the fun part. Filling up the water for Big Blue. Blue bucket, blue machine, blue rag, Be Clean Blue. Everything's blue. All right, we got Big Blue started, and we did this walk-in area. As you see, the floor's a little wet. We got our wet floor sign down. And I want to show you some stains, actually. That right there. Gone. We got another one right there. Gone. We're gonna come back and get this. There's a little paper there. There it is. There. That whole stain. So what we're doing. If you watch any of our videos, you know the process. Come back around, do the same aisle on the opposite side. Stain here. Push it forward. These edges are what you gotta watch out for because it's a pet store. Alright? The dogs like to go on the edges. Back down the aisle to get the whole thing. You don't move any of these. All those skids stay where they are. We're all done with Big Blue. Got her outside there. Now it's time to touch up some little edges. Just touch this edge up here manually. Sometimes you have to go around, like I said, it's a pet store. So these pets like to get corners. You know, go to the bathroom on the corners. So we'll manually get those where the machine can't fit. You have another one right here. And you just go around, checking the corners. Got some extra stuff here. All right, little corner here. So we're gonna go around the store, do this whole thing. All right, stay tuned. All right, so we're finished with the floors here. He's finishing up with the bathrooms. He just mopped in here, mopped the bathroom. Obviously, clean the toilets, and got the mirror, and also the sink, and the trash. And both of these bathrooms mirror each other, so they're both identical. We've done the same thing over here. Those are his gloves, brand new bag. All right, stay tuned. We got some more spots over here. The auto scrubber couldn't fit. Auto scrubber can't fit through there. All right, we're all finished with these. All right, now takes us 2 hours. The store's getting ready to open. We got here at 8 o'clock. Now it's 10 o'clock, and they're opening up. We have our machines outside, getting ready to settle up and head out. All right, stay tuned.